Trey, can you tell everyone a little bit about who you are and how you're involved in Sam's Room?
Yes, of course. First off, Caitlin, I'm so excited that we're doing this and getting a chance to talk about Sam's Room and this exciting workshop coming up. Hi, my name is Trey Coates-Mitchell, and along with Caitlin Marie Bell, we are two of the four-person writing team of Sam's Room, a very exciting pop dramedy musical and we've been working on for about the past 10 years. In 2015, Dale Sampson, the conceiver of this whole world, brought the three of us on to start this incredible journey to build the world of Sam's Room. We first got it on its feet in 2016 with a little bit of a 30-minute presentation in sort of a 90s party style to get some of the themes out and start working them on a crowd. And from there, we participated in the New York Theater Barn's New Work series. New York Theater Barn has a great series where they bring in new works and you do 30-minute test chunks. And it really was our first opportunity to get it up on its feet and feel what it would be like to maybe really see it in production. And what was cool is from there, the Newark series is held at Nancy Manchurian's The Cell Theater, which is a really cool theater space in downtown New York City. And they gave us a private lab there, which is about a week or so to really dive in, expand upon the material. And we kind of took full advantage of that and were able to swing that into an opportunity at NAMT, which is the National Alliance of Musical Theater. And in 2017, we did a performance there for the world, more of the Broadway community and people who could actually take our project and help us move it forward. Right after that, we didn't stop moving in 2017. We did a more full developmental production back at the Cell Theater through New York Theater Barn. They kind of combined there and helped us do this fully kind of realized 90-minute exploration, and we had a great experience there. So we kept the developmental opportunities moving. In 2018, we did the Human Rights New Works Festival in Birmingham, Alabama, and then we went back there actually again in 2023 and did a more fully realized production there. In between those two, many labs that we did, many developmental processes. So this show's actually been 10 years in the developmental making. We've connected with so many people. We have so many writing partners and families and communities that are still enriching the script. And this workshop is this great next step for that. So we're excited to bring all of this. I actually acted as one of the writing team, but more of a developmental director, in that I would help kind of guide script work, and then would help bring the pages to life and see what it would feel like to get these pages onto the stage. And so it's been a really, really exciting journey. I also kind of acted as a choreographer in a way. Sam's Room uses not so much dance, but a speech and debate style called forensics, where you are using your body to kind of build the entire world. So, with the help of Dale Sampson, who is like a genius in that field, I brought my sort of choreographic skills, and we worked on this style together. So it's been a cool journey, and so I'm glad we are here. You know what, Caitlin? I'm going to throw it right back to you. Can you tell us a little bit about who you are and how you are involved in Sam's Room?